But you know what's funny? I me left my yard with good sun in the sky. I look at this though. Funny hill. Wow. Oh, pit stop. As I never bring no umbrella. Do we have arrived?
Island Vibes.
Yeah, Island Vibes Seafood. So I made it, but I am the first one who is here, so I gotta wait a little bit. It's actually nice up here though. I always want to come. And finally, Mr. Go pull out, get some water drink. Oh yeah, if I never mentioned, Island Vibe Seafood is located up by Manor Center, up by Constant Spring Road. So yeah, I'm gonna drink some water. I'll probably order some soup in the meantime. So I just ordered this crayfish soup. So I just going to drink this for now while I wait. It's actually nighttime. I'm leaving now. Upstairs I take some pictures and my day my ride is there, so I'm about to leave and I see if we get a chance to vlog much, but that it is. Alright guys, so this was the end result of the makeup. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Yeah, I think it's my third time now doing my makeup with her here. I think it's my third time. You guys remember when I went to Sands in August? She was the one who did my makeup. And if you go to my Instagram right now, the last photo that I have on my IG page right now, she was the one who did that makeup for me. But I really love it though. I'm excited for later. I just don't want no rainfall as yet because outside is extremely bleaky and a little bit nervous about that, but we can't stop God rain, right? So whatever happen. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm in love, like. So guys, we are out. But watch your atlas around here, so. So watch your atlas around here, so. Let's say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlogging.
Guys are here gonna play game. Huh?
Ireland.
A Tanika favorite emoji. A Tanika favorite emoji. The cherry something from Snapchat.
The little cherry something on your face, yeah. Y'all see good?
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Never have I ever used shampoo as body wash.
No man.
I'll wash plate. I'll wash plate. Wash plate. Up to last. What you mean? You use the wash plate. I want to laugh for. What you mean? Ear day. So what's the worst of that mean? What you doing? I'll get so. I just all that. So now, me.
Oh, I like that. Always refilling our glasses. I like that. Why are you so disgusting? So we went to Blue Lagoon in Portland. Well, actually, some changes made and we went to Winifred Beach instead. Same place in Portland. So you'll see all of that later down in the vlog. Enjoy! At this point in time, I wake up, swear thing I reach, so I reach. Unfortunately, another piece of drive. I've been to Portland before, but the ride never takes so long. Well, maybe because on this trip, we never know where I go.
Jerry, wait for Jerry. Come on, get you ready. Come on, if you're ready. Want the fry, want the fried breadfruit and the serve me a fried breadfruit plant. Fried breadfruit and plant. Sure. And plant, sure. Yeah.
I forgot to ask you.
Who for this? Who for the pork?
Left in my one. Sure.
So guys, I end up changing mine from Blue Lagoon and come Winifred Beach instead in Portland. But up there is really nice though. I would really like to go back to Blue Lagoon one day. You just like push me down so. One video. So guys, I've come to the end of this vlog, and I said, you know what better way to end it by opening just maybe one or two of the few gifts that I have I honestly don't remember like what happened in the previous clip. I know, I think the last time we were still at Winifred Beach. Honestly, I never really get to feel much like on the way back, but I'm just tired. I want to sleep and enjoy the ride. So I'm here to close out the vlog properly, but I'm gonna open one of these gifts. But I'm gonna fix something here properly so I can see, you know. Hey guys, I'm going to open and can see me properly. I was trying to adjust it so you guys can see the gift, but when I do that, you're not really see me, but me is a part of the video, so you have to see me. Understand? Alright, so boy, bottles. Alright. So I'm already fastening another one here. I know what this is. I know it's not an iron board. But then again, if it's an iron board, but I appreciate it the same way. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna open this one. Paper. She wrote me a note. Okay. So I will try to keep it very short and spicy. Happy birthday to you, my best friend. I love you to the moon and back. 24th birthday? Damn, you're getting old. Really? I'm getting old. Zamani, continue to be a sweet, caring, loving, strong, nonsense person you are. Thanks for always being there for me. I so appreciate you. I hope you had a great birthday and that you enjoy your gift. Thank you so much, Azandria. I love you too, Mama. Ooh. Ooh. Literally, I smell the cologne and it's not even open. Yo, this strong. Like, me not take money for opening it. It's strong. So this tight or the back? Boy, that's a mirror. Hold on. Jesus. Whoa. The back here look good. This strong. Whoa, this holy. Hey, this nice. This nice. Whoa, this strong. Wait. I know the funny thing though, guys. I know I was going to purchase it for myself, but I never get to purchase it. Not this cologne though. It was a Lady Million cologne, but I never get my hands on it to purchase it. But maybe one day down the line I'll purchase it. But it's not. The back smell good. Oh my god. I don't want to see my mirror. I don't want to see my mirror. Alright, let me show you guys my mirror. Boy, don't break on me. Let's do the mirror. there, guys. I wanted to show you the detailing of this mirror. It is so nice, so pretty. The silver is nice, and it have the little stand at the back, so I don't have to worry about how I'm going to lean it up or anything like that. It's great. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Giselle. Thank you so much. So you know, I can see myself when I'm doing my hair tutorials. So yeah. So guys, this is what I was talking about. It have the stand at the back, so you know I can press it. I can't wait though to put it up and take off these stuff off the foot parts of it. It's so pretty, like it's so pretty. Okay. So yeah guys, this is where I'm going to close out today's vlog. I don't want to stretch it out too much, and honestly I don't even know how long this vlog is because I don't start editing it yet. I want to see, hopefully I am going to give you this vlog on the weekend, and stay tuned because I do have more vlogs coming. You know, the little December gonna start off a little too festive, so yeah, I have some other vlogs coming in for you. I have this amazing, I get this bag with goodies from Camille. I got this gift. I can't wait to open it to see what's in there from Kadian. Thank you so much, Kadian. I have this one coming from Simone. I can't go wrong with some nice Bath and Body Works products. And this one too is coming from Giselle. It feels soft. I wonder what in there, but I'm gonna open that. And I do have this amazing basket filled with goodies coming from Shara. Thank you so much, Shara. I know say all along though, girl, if you see the vlog here, but I think of pineapple slices, I'm gonna get excited and I say yes, pineapple slices can go up on my ham for Christmas. But actually one of them is a drink and the other one is the fruit cocktail, so it's not the actual pineapple slices. Thank you so much, Shara, and thank you so much again, Azandra. The cologne over here, kick it have a buzz. It nice. I have somewhere to go tomorrow and I'm going to travel with it, so stay tuned for that vlog. But yeah, this is where I'm going to close out today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for sharing my video. If you're not yet subscribed, please go right ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know your video suggestions, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.